Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So let's play Smith-Morra gambit. You might be able to hear birds tweeting in the background. I'm not sure. I've got a window open just for a bit of air in here. Okay, and it's kind of that season coming up. Birds are tweeting. Alright, let's see. D5, huh? Alright, I've had this kind of pattern before where I might get double pawns, but I could try and use the G file potentially. I think. And has he equalised? Seems a bit uncomfortable actually. Yeah. It's a bit on the uncomfortable side, this position. Trying to protect B2. There's pressure on F3. Yeah, it's not great. B3 and then as you think about rook takes F3. Yeah, I seem to be passive here. Can I kick this knight out of C4? It's a real nuisance.
Check.
Bishop A3, I need to be able to move the rook without losing the knight, so that's handy. Oh, this is getting pretty scary actually now. This is B4 there. Okay. Can I play rook D3? This really isn't what I had in mind for this opening. Rook D3. Knight B1. Oh, he's going to play rook F7 potentially. Do I get to play knight D2? Try and hold up F3. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, I have to do something over here now. Rook H1 and H5. Yes. Okay. So I'm not doing much over there. Maybe there's Queen G6 at some point. Uh-oh. This is passive. Queen G6, one of my only threats in the position. Do I have to put it on hold? Yes, very defensive. Okay, another threat in the position, the bishop. Oh, can he just take on d4? Oh, like that. Great. Can I use the C file? If I take on d4, can I take on e5 after? Like if I take with this. I'll take on f4. There's a check. Okay, great. You can threaten. Well, I can play the check and see what he does. Okay. Can I not just take that? Mind you, simplifying. Maybe it's better. Try and keep some tension in the game. Rook c6, maybe. Oh, this is getting too dangerous. Go for the check over here. I mean d5.
Check.
Queen's off.
Check. Check. Check.
Oh.
Check. Time warning.
Oh man.
Check. 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 Check.
Come on then. Yeah, okay. If he wants to play like this, fine, fine. I think it was a really accurate game. Okay, okay. I'm just staggered that someone like this is putting me under so much pressure. I don't know. Maybe my game has fallen apart. Okay. I'm just annoyed with myself. I'm actually annoyed with myself. I don't know. I don't know. It's just become really, really tough. I don't know if my game's fallen apart or not. I'm starting to think it has. I don't know. Okay. It's that one's just on the defensive the whole game. It's a really, really good system he's played for a start to just equalise here. Let's have a look at this in slow motion. This is a really good anti Smith-Morra. Yeah, just this bishop coming here and the knight's using c4. It's just a fantastic system. So I've got nothing out of the opening. This has been a pattern recently.
Check.
I'm not losing a pawn because I don't know the pressure. Yeah, I don't know what I can do here. It's just such a passive position. Although the engine has it, just, yeah, I didn't need to lose that pawn. Just made things worse. So rook c1. Yeah, I've just got nothing. He's got the f file. He's got pressure on d4, and he's combining it both. Hang on a sec. So rook takes d4 might be a shot. Oh, the check.
Check.
Oh, that's a safe way because here I think there's queen c2.
Check.
Right. Okay. So that might have been a mistake, technically. He's -4 there. I should definitely get a rook
Check.
off.
Check.
And actually I'm a knight up here, but it's equal. Oh, rook takes f3.
Check.
Apparently this is equal.
Check.
Take with the rook instead.
Check.
If I take in here, yeah, that's painful for queen h1. How embarrassing is that?
Checkmate. Check.
Okay, gave me seems pawn there, but his pawns are really, really dangerous. If I take in here, it's a mate in 2. Whatever, no, mate. It's a false mate somehow. Mate in 7.
Check.
I'm not that far off equalising, but it does look. No, that's. I have to play super accurately. King G3. Alright, the exchange down position. Yeah, it's just if 1950s like this, yeah, this is pretty tough. I mean, he's just played the whole game pretty brilliantly as far as I can see. I don't know. Okay, but whatever. I'm sorry. Just look at the master games from now on. I just think my Blitz is basically it's not great at the moment. I don't know if that's going to change. But if 1950s are playing like this, I don't know. Maybe I should have played a more positional opening and stuff. I don't know. Okay, thanks very much.